welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for pressing play and making the commitment to take a healthy walk with me today. My name's Emily. I'm a yoga teacher, a registered nurse, and a wellness professional, and I'm here to help you feel better in your body at any age, any season of the game. We're going to walk about 10 minutes today, a healthy, mindful walk, and you don't need any fancy equipment. Maybe you have some shoes. Please grab something for hydration. If you've not done so yet, please pause this video right now and head to my website, emilydaugherty.com. Grab your Gentle Stride guide. This is a beginner's guide to home walking. In it, I share all kinds of tips and tools and strategies to help you get started moving your body, practicing home fitness in a healthy way. All right, I'm going to meet you back here. Get started in your easy walk. Here we go. So walking in place. I'm going to start with a healthy, mindful walk. And we have 4 basic moves. This is number 1 right here. Walk in place. This is our home base. After each move, we come right back here. I'm just going to go ahead and get my watch started so that I can channel this, record this walk, so we can keep track of how far we go. Let me just fix this thing. Okay, keep walking. Get those kinks out, right? You can see I've changed my background, my scenery. I'm at my parents' house this week. We are house sitting and taking care of their dogs. So you might hear the dogs in the background. They might make an appearance a little bit later, but for now, just right here, walk in place. So this is move number 1. Move number 2, I'm gonna turn to the side. We're gonna take some knee lifts. So lift a knee, little belly tuck, so tummy draws in towards the spine, engage through that 360 core. Nice. And while we're here, let's get those arms up. Reach up and up. Thinking of working on that coordination and balance. Ooh, yeah. Core work. We're working on our core, and that includes the 360 core. So also the back body, front body and back body. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return right here, home base, walk it out. Oh, how's it going there? How's it going at your house? What's your weather like? Today is a beautiful, about 70 degrees, like a little overcast, but so nice out. And I think it's supposed to rain later, which I'm excited about because it hasn't rained in a while. Nice. Let's take some kicks next. Let's kick it out. Reach the fingers, opposite hand or opposite leg reaches. So alternating kicks. And have some fun. Work on your balance. We all slip up here. I just rotated. You don't have to do that. I don't know why I did that actually. Nice. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Walk in place. Nice. Maybe you pick the feet up a little higher. Maybe you pump the arms a little bit more. Maybe you notice your breathing rates accelerated or increased just in this small amount of time that we started walking. We're 2 minutes in already. Can you believe it? Last move. It's going to be a side step. Use the space you have. We're going to step out and bring it back in. Back and forth we go, opening up through the hips. Feel the backside muscles turned on, so the glutes, back end, the hips, the thighs. All these important muscles for just daily living, right? These muscles of independence are what I call them, and they help support us. Just move, move from the ground to seated, seated to standing, all these really exaggerated important movements that we do in our daily life. We're gonna keep those strong, healthy for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out right here. Get those feet a little higher. And you pump the arms a little bit more. And let's get the upper body involved. Fingertips to the shoulders, reach up, down, out, and back. Go for the gold. You got this. Exaggerate these shapes. Make big, bold shapes here. Oh. Increasing mobility, range of motion, lubricating your joints. Motion is lotion, right? And let's move it. Let's keep healthy. Don't be walking around like the Tin Man, right? Walking around strong and powerful. All seasons. Right? For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your walk right here. Get those feet a little higher. You know, we're only here for 10 minutes today, and I promise you, you're gonna love this workout because it's gonna go by so fast. The American Heart Association recommends 30 minutes of aerobic or activity like this that gets our heart rate up, gets our good juices flowing. So you can incorporate this workout. If you want to start with 10 minutes today and maybe do another workout, maybe add another, double your workout. So do 2 10-minute workouts at different times throughout the day. I have so many of these videos. The smallest walks I do are 5-minute walks, super easy, great way to start your morning. And then we just kind of build from there. So I go from 5 minutes all the way up to 2 miles, which usually takes about 30 minutes. So yeah, incorporate these walks into your daily life. I love hearing from you, by the way. Go ahead and widen your stance here. Nice. I am just blown away and so inspired and so humbled by all the folks that I get to meet here online and through this YouTube channel. I get to hear from folks all over the world, places I've never heard of, walking with us, right? We got a community here, a bunch of people working out together, different parts of the world. And yeah, just making that positive change. We create positive change in our world so that it transpires to everything else, right? All right, from here, listen carefully. Really excited about those backside muscles today. Let's go ahead and give it a kick back and a kick back. Yeah. Yeah. Again, your range of motion. I'm making some big shapes. See what works for you. Maybe you get the arms up. I'm gonna do a couple pull downs. Let's do it. Pull down, pull down. Yeah. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Go. Go for it. Take some swimmer's arms, big or small shapes. Reverse, take your time. Oh yeah. Last big circle when you're ready. Shake that out. Take some arm swings next, just open and close. Little hugasana, maybe give yourself a hug. Yes. Oh. This helps open up the shoulders and the neck area. If you have a stiff, aching neck, maybe do some arm workouts just like this. Here we are, 3, 2, 1. Some gentle arm stretches really help with all of this. If it gets stagnant, you can mobilize it in a healthy way, right? All right, so take those side steps again. Maybe you sink a little bit lower, calling on some different muscles. We're walking back and forth here. Sink it down, get low, but check in with your knees. If your knees don't like this, don't push through. Right? We never push through any pain. If you have pain, stop this video right now. Stop it right now. Yeah, check in. If you're experiencing pain, always check with your doctor to make sure like this is a healthy activity for you. All right. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk back, home base. Walk it out. 7.5 minutes in. About 2.5 minutes to go. See how fast this goes? So much fun. Let's try a different move. We're just gonna do a modified jumping jack, but if you like regular jumping jacks, I want you to go for it, all right? So join me if you'd like. Watch it, join when you're ready. It's a toe tap. We're gonna reach the arms back and forth. Go fast here, if you want. As always, it's your pace, not mine. Feel a little wind in my sails today. It's nice to be outside, working out, having fun, having you along for this great little walk. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to your walk right here. Walk it out. Yes. Nice job. We are almost at half a mile already. All right, hands are gonna come up to the shoulders, knee lift, knee lift. Yeah. Get those hands up. Yes. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back home, walk it out. So good for you. So proud of us. You committed. And you know what? We have 1 minute to go. Don't you stop now. You keep going. Let's finish this up. You put in that hard work and you get good stuff out of your hard work. Nice job. Staying consistent, that's going to be really key to keeping this going, right? Finding a time that works for you. Maybe first thing in the morning, or maybe right before bed, maybe somewhere in the middle. You can snag a little short 10-minute walk in. Just try to do that. Even just a few times a week, you're making a big impact in your life. Nice job. All right, just keep walking. Let's widen our stance. I'm gonna finish up with those kickbacks again. So kick it back, maybe reach the arms. Yeah, pull down. Here we go. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. We just hit 10 minutes. Yes, yes. Slow it down. Come back to just a small walk here. Slow those feet down. Nice, slow the heart rate down. Come to some stillness. Take some toe taps, just alternating back and forth we go. I always say don't skip this cool down. This is one of the most important parts here. Let's get the heart rate back down in a healthy way. If you want to go for another 10 minutes, you know I got your back. Please check out another one of my walking videos. If you want to take a deeper dive into practicing yoga and these gentle stretches, I got your back there too. I got a playlist that's all about yoga stretches and cool downs. I got warm-ups. I got all kinds of good stuff for you. So check out my channel. If you've not subscribed, please do that. It's going to help other folks find me so that we can all connect at a deeper level. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Whew. Plant the feet. Feet are maybe about hips width apart. Let's take a little pranayama or breathing technique. Hands will come down by the sides. Take an inhale, bring the hands up to shoulder height. Exhale, push that away, let it go. Again, inhale, we rise up. Exhale, soften and release. Last time in, and last time out. So good. Shake it out and release the fingers behind the back. Pull the elbows down as you lift the gaze. Let it go, shake it out. Nicely done, my friends. I'm so glad that you decided to take a walk with me, and I hope you enjoyed this. Please head to my website. Don't forget to grab your Gentle Stride Guide. When you download that, you'll get placed on my newsletter. I send out a weekly newsletter each week. It's got all kinds of neat little health tips, stress management tools, all kinds of good stuff. Plus you'll get my latest walking and YouTube videos on there. So yeah, connect with me online. Cool stuff happening. I'm really excited to see where things are going, where my direction's headed, and I'm so glad to have you along for the journey. All right, I'll talk to you again in a couple days. Bye-bye.